7 Strategies to avoid unnecessary pressure in 2023 goals. Plan with 1. Plan our lives and live within our means. Save more and spend less. Planning is the key. If you fail to plan, you plan to fail. 2. Rent apartments you can pay for conveniently. Don't live in a house you struggle to pay rent. Your house rent/bills shouldn't take more than 10% of your income. 3. Try to reduce family expenses. Put your kids in schools you can afford to foot the bills. Ensure they attend a good and affordable school at moderate fees within your reach. 4. Don't copy your neighbor's lifestyle, live within your means. Competitions with people. 5. Don't follow trends and crave for expensive things, hairstyle, lifestyle, expensive items. There is no award given to best fit or the best expensive. 6. Keep your circle of friends small, keep only friends that are beneficial you and of value to your business too. 7. Don't spend more than your budget. Every expenses should be well budgeted. Be your spending and cultivate discipline while